Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you access your chart frame smooth and easily without any lag. So normally with the mobile and tablet devices we scroll and it feels quite easy, but what with the laptop devices we have to scroll manually over and over the trackpad to adjust the time frame and the views to look at the candles and overall the complete view. So how I managed to do this is a very simple thing. You just need a pen tablet. It could be any brands, but I use HS64 and it's all in one and comes in budget. You can check the cards for the unboxing. So this is my secret, and it also helps me with the editing, scrolling and so many other things. So it's an all-in-one product. So you could really use it as a secondary mouse and for so many other things. So it's quite a must-have tool if you're into trading, and you can check out the description because this is the product which saves your time, and time is money. So yeah, check out.